In today's lesson, we are going to simplify the fraction 3/11. Let's start by writing down our fraction 3/11. When we talk about simplifying a fraction, we're looking to express it in its simplest form. This means dividing both the numerator and the denominator by their greatest common factor, or GCF. To simplify a fraction, we find the greatest common factor of both the numerator and the denominator. Let's start by listing the factors of both 3 and 11. The factors of 3 are 1 and 3 because 3 is a prime number. A prime number is a number that has only two factors, 1 and itself. The factors of 11 are 1 and 11 because 11 is also a prime number. Next, we find the greatest common factor. The only common factor between 3 and 11 is 1 because all numbers have 1 as a factor. This tells us that there's no number other than 1 that divides both 3 and 11 evenly. Since the greatest common factor is 1, we cannot divide 3/11 by any number other than 1 without changing its value. Therefore, 3/11 is already in its simplest form. Remember, when you're simplifying fractions, always check for common factors between the numerator and the denominator. In some cases, like the fraction we did today, the fraction is already in its simplest form.